Got the molded carpet for the Corvette. And it even comes with the underlayment already attached. You can't beat that. That's for the left and the right side. I think that's all. That's just the front. And since it's only a, yeah, there's the molded, the rest of it. So it's just a left and a right. So that's gonna be perfect. I'll put a little sound suppression, heat suppression on the bottom, and then lay this up on top. And dang, we're getting close. So it even came with instructions, and it came with a little flange for the, if I can find it. Oh, it fell down inside. For the dimmer switch. And then I also got the hard back. So basically, new carpet for the front, both sides, new upholstery for the seats, and hard backs. And I'll use the roll of nylon loop. I'll use that for the back half of the car, the little cargo area in the back. So we'll be doing that over the next couple of weeks.